Hey everyone, welcome to another episode in this channel. Today we are going to talk about what to do if you have to come to the Mall of America for a layover.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
The Mall of America, or MOA, receives about 32 to 42 million visitors each year, and of that total number, approximately 5.2 million are passengers who have a 3-hour or longer layover at the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, or otherwise known as the MSP Airport. This group of visitors make up a significant portion of the high tourism that the MOA sees annually. While a 3-hour layover window might sound long if you're hanging out at the airport, that time can actually go by very quickly if you're at MOA. In this video, I'm going to share how you can get to MOA from the MSP airport and show you where you can catch these modes of transportations. MOA has 4 levels, and each of those levels takes about 20 to 25 minutes if you walk at a steady walking pace. And that's if you're not stopping to browse and shop at stores or doing any of the activities that are available there. That said, I'll also share what unique stores you should stop by and unique places you should eat at while you're at MOA. This way, you're maximizing those 3 hours with stops that you might not find elsewhere. I'm also going to share where the restrooms are located because the mall is extremely large and visitors often find that the restrooms are spaced far apart, so it's important to have an idea as to where they're located ahead of time. I'll also talk about lockers and where you can store your carry-ons or luggage so that you can comfortably stroll and enjoy your time at the mall. Alright, so first things first, you need to know how to get to MOA from the MSP airport. Travelers can take a rideshare, such as an Uber or a Lyft, from the airport to the mall and get dropped off on the north side of level 1. This mode of transportation takes about 8 to 12 minutes. Once you enter through the doors, you'll notice a guest service desk on your left-hand side where you can get information or answers to any questions that you might have. This guest service location has an ATM machine nearby and multiple screens that show you what activity packages are offered for use throughout the mall. From this entrance, you'll walk into an atrium and locate the first set of restrooms on your right-hand side. Generally, the restrooms are located in the middle of every wing, such as the north, south, east, and west on every floor. Companion and family restrooms are available on levels 1, 2, and 3. Nursing and mother's rooms are available on levels 1 and 2. Another restroom is located just before the entrance to the Radisson Blu Hotel, and another one is located at the north entrance of Nickelodeon Universe, as well as the southwest corner near the Ferris wheel. All-day locker rentals are available in a variety of sizes and are located throughout the mall. They're located at the east wing on levels 2 and 3, the west wing on levels 1, 2, and 3, and the north and south wings on level 1. There are also some located in Nickelodeon Universe near the Ferris wheel. The ones located the closest to the rideshare drop-off and pickup area are the ones on the north wing of level 1. Travelers can also use the Metro Blue Line light rail from the airport and be dropped off at the indoor station on the lower level of the east parking ramp. This mode of transportation takes about 13 minutes. As you enter, you'll notice that there is conveniently a number of lockers straight ahead that are available for use. There is signage that shows the route schedule and also a set of restrooms directly to your right. The long hallway to your left will take you over to a set of escalators that will take you up to level 1 of the mall. During your walk to the escalators, note the ticket machines on your left for later on when you return at the end of your visit to head back to the airport. As you head up the escalator, a guest service desk will greet you at the top. And just like the one shown before, this is where you can get more information and view the screens on what activity packages are available for purchase. At this location, there is a convenience store tucked right next door to the guest service desk, which is super handy, especially if you need a quick refreshment from your long day of travel. Just like the rideshare drop-off and pickup area, this location also has a restroom conveniently located to your left-hand side upon arrival. So, you finally arrived, you're hungry and wanting to find a bite to eat. There are tons of places to choose from on all levels of the mall. The food courts specifically are located on level 3, while a number of other restaurants are scattered throughout. One thing that's also important to note is that even though the mall opens at 10, the food court, they typically don't open until 11 o'clock. So if you get here and it's before 11 o'clock and you're wondering why are these restaurants are not open yet, that's why. The Mall of America has 2 food courts. One of them is on the north end and one of them is on the south end. The food court shown here is the newer of the 2 and is home to a multitude of fast food restaurants. While you can certainly choose from whichever one you'd like to eat from, if you're wanting to specifically eat from a spot that you may not find elsewhere, check out Naf Naf Grill. The Naf Naf Grill is a fast casual Middle Eastern restaurant that serves authentic Middle Eastern eats like chicken shawarma, pitas, and falafels. Across the hall from the food court is the Kura revolving sushi bar that serves guests through use of a conveyor belt system, which provides a fun and entertaining experience. Down the hall is a spot called Beard Papa's, which serves cream puffs in a number of delicious flavors. Fun fact, the very first Beard Papa's store originally launched in Japan, and as of today, they now have over 400 stores in 15 different countries. A fun place to check out and eat at is the Rainforest Cafe. You'll walk through the gift shop space to get to the jungle-themed restaurant side. As you dine, a simulated thunderstorm will occur periodically with strobe lights and thunder effects. There are animatronic animals spread throughout the restaurant as well. The same hallway as the Rainforest Cafe will take you to the other food court. This food court is the older of the 2. Jerk King offers Caribbean-inspired dishes such as jerk chicken or curry goat served with rice and peas, among other crowd pleasers. Across the hall is the Sugar Factory Express, which offers unique vibes and an intriguing dining experience, serving burgers, desserts, and their signature candy goblet drinks that are designed by celebrities. I do have a video that covers my experience here, which I'll link below if you're interested in watching it. A few stores over is the Moguyen Hand-Pulled Noodles restaurant, which is one of MOA's newest additions for 2026. This restaurant takes after one of the most well-known beef noodle brands in China, and the noodles are hand-pulled on site every day. Fun fact, the first Moguyen Hand-Pulled Noodles restaurant was opened over 50 years ago in the district of Moguyen, located in China. As you exit the food court hallway, you'll encounter Cantina Laredo, which serves Mexican food inspired by Mexico City. Here you can find grilled fish, tapas, fajitas, and margaritas. Another new addition to MOA for 2026 is Sweet Crunch Tanghulu, where they serve fresh fruit skewers covered in candy glaze. These treats are vegan, gluten-free, and additive-free. On level 2 sits the Fire Lake Grill House and Cocktail Bar, which is the restaurant right downstairs to the Radisson Blu Hotel and features the best foods that Minnesota has to offer, influenced by a farm-to-table concept incorporating fresh local produce. Also on level 2 is Mochi Nut, which serves delicious chewy mochi donuts. Level 1 hosts the Cedar and Stone Urban Table Restaurant that has a menu inspired by a fusion of culinary cultures, Minnesota's natural surroundings, and relationships with farmers within 200 miles of it. Okay, so you've got some food in your belly and are now wanting to explore more. Remember, you only have a 3-hour layover and you've already spent time eating, so you want to spend your remaining time wisely with unique spots that you might not easily find elsewhere. We'll start with level 3 and work our way down to level 1. First up is Minnesota's largest modern Asian-themed claw machine arcade called Duck, which is also a new addition to MOA for 2026. This space features over 100 claw machines, gacha capsule machines, and a diverse selection of Japanese-style arcade games. In addition, you can also pick up handcrafted drinks, Korean shaved ice, and other drinks. If you're looking for product categories from Japan, Ibisu is going to be your spot. Next up is the Alpaca Connection Store, which specializes in ethnically sourced, hypoallergenic apparel and plushies made from 100% alpaca wool imported from the Andes. If you're a traveler with small children, you might want to wander over to the Crayola experience. This spot is interactive with over 20 hands-on activities and is a one-of-a-kind family attraction. If you're needing to keep your little ones entertained, this spot is sure to provide a colorful adventure for your child's imagination. For an immersive, mood-boosting, interactive installation, head over to Super Neon. This feel-good experience electrifies your senses with a glowing, shimmering, luminous landscape. You can dance on a light-up floor or float in a dreamy cloud room. Every space in this experience is intended to uplift your mood. Who wouldn't want that? Down the hall is another unique store to check out called Third Degree Heat. This store is a specialized sneaker boutique known for its selection of rare, shrink-wrapped collectible kicks. Before we head down to level 2, you're going to want to pick up your Minnesota souvenirs at the Love from Minnesota and I Love Minnesota gift shops. Make your way down to level 2 and head on over to Miniso, which is a global lifestyle retailer that offers a curated selection of toys, plushies, collectibles, and more. If you're wanting a unique perfume, check out Arabian Oud. Last but certainly not least, let's finally make our way down to level 1. You can't come to the Mall of America and not make time to at least check out Nickelodeon Universe, which is the 7-acre indoor amusement park located right smack dab in the middle of the mall. This theme park has more than 24 rides and attractions combined, with something for everyone. I do have a video discussing the rides and places to eat in Nickelodeon Universe, which I'll also link below if you'd like to check it out. Right outside one of the entrances to Nickelodeon Universe sits the M&M store, which is one of only 7 such stores in the entire world. This vibrant store is 24,000 square feet, offering an immersive experience that sells M&M's candy, clothing, home decor, and more. Another iconic spot to check out on level 1 is the Build-A-Bear workshop. This is the second workshop of its kind in the world. During the time of this filming, this location is currently under renovation. There is a temporary location situated on level 2. New addition in 2026 is Card Vault by Tom Brady. This company is focused on buying, selling, trading, and grading sports cards and collectibles. Down the hall is Love Your Melon, which is an apparel brand dedicated to giving a hat to every child battling cancer. For every beanie purchased, one is given to a child battling cancer. As you continue your stroll on level 1, stop by Mavi, which is a sustainable denim and lifestyle brand. From there, make your way over to the Lego store. This location is one of the most prominent Lego locations in the United States. There is a giant pick-a-brick wall with 180 different Lego elements and play tables right outside of the store entrance to inspire creativity. There is also a 34 feet tall Lego robot right on top of the store that makes for a perfect spot to take a quick picture with. Co-founded by Kim Kardashian is Skims. This Skims location is the largest physical location to date, offering intimates, loungewear, shapewear, and more. You've eaten good food, shopped your heart out, and did as many activities as you could in that layover. It's time to head back to the airport so that you don't miss your flight. Now, head on back to whichever wing of the mall that has the mode of transportation that you'd like to take to return to the airport. If you're taking the Metro Blue Line light rail, it's on level 1 near the Sea Life Aquarium entrance. From there, take the escalator or elevator down to the transit station and grab your luggage if you used a locker. If you're taking a rideshare back to the airport, head over to the north side of level 1 by H&M. Schedule your ride through the associating app and hang out in the waiting area until your ride arrives. Hopefully you had a great time at the Mall of America in Minnesota. Have a good flight and safe travels. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and catch us on the next one. Thanks all. Bye.
So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no.